Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tasdeeq Bushra. I completed my 11th and 12th from RCIS, and then I joined a crash course in 2019 for my NEET preparation. I scored 369 in NEET 2019, and my score in NEET 2020 is 651. After I gave my NEET the first time, it was a difficult choice to make whether I had to repeat again for a year or not, because I was uncertain of whether I'd score better the next time. But then I knew that I had to pursue medicine in order to do something good in my life, and I wanted to be a doctor in the future. So my parents guided me to Shaheen Falcon. We came to know about it from our relatives. When we went to Shaheen Falcon for our admission, we met Mr. Abdul Subhan sir, and he assured us of the score that I could get in the next attempt, and I got admitted into Shaheen Falcon. Here at Shaheen Falcon, the teachers were all really nice, very well trained, and they had a grasp of the concepts very well. They made sure that our concepts were very well understood and very well applied for the application-based questions, and they clarified all our doubts, whatever doubts we had, whenever we went. Whenever I approached the teachers regarding the doubts, whatever time or place it might be, they always clarified it and made sure that my concepts were stronger than before, and I would not repeat such mistakes. We also had daily tests every day, which helped us to improve our concepts even more. We had a full-length test that is of 720 marks every Sunday. So that made us cope our time very well. That is how to utilize the 3 hours for the final exam very well. And also to make sure that we make no mistake in OMR bubbling. That helped us at the final NEET exam day, because it's an unfortunate way to lose marks, that is mistake in OMR bubbling. Whatever preparation we made, it was made in such a way that at the final day it would be of use. That is, on the final day of the NEET exam, we'd be able to apply all the concepts we learned, apply all the formula that we learned, learn all the formulae, and make no mistake in the calculations or make no silly mistakes. It was all worth it on the final day. One of the major issues that I faced during my preparation for NEET was my silly mistakes. So Subhan sir told me to maintain a separate notebook for my error work. That is, I had a notebook in which I would write down all the mistakes that I made in the tests that I took, the full-length tests or the daily tests or whatever, and to go through those error works frequently so that I don't make such a mistake again. So that helped me avoid the silly mistakes that I had usually frequently make, and to make sure that I understood the concepts even more better because of what the mistakes that I did. It's always important that we learn from the mistakes that we make, because the mistakes show our weak points, and improving on our weak points is one of the most crucial things to do while you're preparing for NEET. So the week before the exam, I just went through the error notes and made sure that I don't make those mistakes again. The teachers were all very helpful. They clarified all our doubts. They made sure our concepts were very well grasped. They explained the concepts in a much easier way and told us what was important for NEET and what was not. So that they guided us on the right way to make sure that we don't keep all the unnecessary information while we analyze the necessary information and make use of it. And at the final exam day, we are able to apply that concept. Whatever I am, wherever I am today, it is all because of my parents, the teachers at Shaheen Falcon, Subhan sir, the faculty and support staff of Shaheen Falcon, because whatever they did, they guided me through to the right path and to achieve a better score in NEET 2020. Right now, I can say that I am a proud Falconite, and Shaheen Falcon is the place for you, for all those of you with the smallest of dreams to become something in life, to pursue medicine or JEE, what so be it, because Shaheen Falcon makes sure that you improve your strengths and focus on your weaknesses, because weaknesses are the ones that complete you, and it's important that you learn from your weaknesses and not repeat the same mistakes ever again. So Shaheen Falcon is the place for you, because they guide you in the right direction, and all of those out there with a dream, with a purpose in life to become something, to be a doctor or an engineer, Shaheen Falcon is the place for you.
Hello everybody. I think you've heard Dr. Tasdeeq. To be very frank, I think we were fortunate to have a student like her. I remember first time when I met her in my cabin, I spoke to her. She had not prepared for entrance before, but still understanding the depth of the subject was so clear. She just needed real guidance. However, her intelligence, yes, she was very intelligent, but what struck me so much about her is in last 7-8 months when she was there with us, the perseverance, the hard work, the dedication, I think that is class apart. Every single day, whenever my teacher comes to me and speaks to me, they said, "Sir, it is a pleasure teaching Tasdeeq." She comes out every day after every class with list of doubts. In what topic which is completed today, she is already ready with the doubts, and she will make sure that she clears her doubt before the teacher leave the class. Or even if teacher leave the class, she will chase them out to clear her doubts. And when this lockdown was going on, I think she was always there. She keep asking her doubts after every exam, every question she used to get it clear. And to be very frank, this result of her is a result of her perseverance, her dedication. Yes, she is an intelligent girl, she is a smart girl, but above all is her commitment to her dream, her passion. I think she has made all of us proud. 651 mark is not an ordinary score for anybody to get. This is a great feast, NEET feast. She has cracked NEET 2020. She has made the entire Falcon institutions proud. She has made her parents proud. Everybody, and on behalf of all the faculty members, teaching, non-teaching members, on behalf of management, I would like to thank you and congratulate you for this great NEET result, Doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.